and dot. Dapat yung nasa first photo. Okay? Let's move on the next one. Elaborate! Ang first sa ML!
Sabi ko, harap! Oh, you're here. I am your chef, Ayana Ashley Oldemesa, for today's Del Monte Kitchenomics. Okay. We're currently sauteing the hot dog with the onion and the garlic. Remember, always be gentle. Okay, if you think that the hot dog is red, the video was cutted. But let's continue for today's Del Monte Kitchenomics. Okay. Because we're running out of time, we're gonna mix the
Green peas!
green peas. Let's give him a round of applause. Lintik na green peas yun. Ano ganyan? Kiliti. But some people want it all. But I just don't want it at all. Okay, we added the 1/8 green peas. Lintian. Kala ko nung kadami-dami at talaga ipinipilit niyang idagdag yung green peas. But professionalism will still get back to its feet. Now is the final countdown. We're gonna get the shaken. The shaken is the very important thing. Pag natalsikan ako, may nagbutak. Ulit lang. Kaya nga nagpabili ng panig.
Thank you po! Lila!
Ilang manok yan?
Nagalit sa nanay ko!
Sige, wala kang papalit.
Wala, hindi ko to pa.
Okay lang yan. May mga...
Alam niyo, pare-pares kayo ni Lady.
Ano ba? Nakakataking stage mo dalawa. Parang hindi pa sa lalim mo nakakataking stage mo dalawa. Meron po tayong sponsor na rice. Tayo pala yung ano, yung wrap. Ikit mo lang. Sayang kasi, yung dami kulang, masarap-sarap. Kumain ka.
Kain kayo!
Wala ka naman saging dito.
Wala!
Tama! Diba, naintindihan mo?
Parang sa akin, na-okay na. Kaya yung ano, pinabroad out yung sabi ko, Ima, sorry, ako ay naliligo that time. Baka kasi sabi ko.
Ako hindi.
Isa kasi ako ay naka-okay ng chat sa ano. Naliligo ako.
So weird! Ba't ka ba natawa?
Wala niyo kung nasaan kami.
Pare!
Tutulak ito dyan. Yun niyo.
We're sitting but we're in customer. Wow! Shout out to my ex. Oh, my head.
Oy, may dimples ako. Tignan mo.
Ha?
Ayun ka. We're borders. Uy, paa mo. Parang ka naburil dyan. Itaas mo paa mo.
Tuloy ang aircon.
Again, for our third place, for the Digital Art Creation Contest, we have
Ba't ka tumayo?
Sige, ay.
Ang sasabi ko lang ay may dalawang uri ng tao. Yung una nag-interview siya. Magaling. At ako ay, parang kasi lang naman ang loob. For core memory lang talaga to. Fresh energy, broken heart. I'm ending on your shelf. I saw you holding hands, standing close to someone else. Now I sit all alone, wishing all my feelings was gone. I give my best to you. Nothing for me to do. One last cry before I leave it all behind. I've gotta pull you out of my mind.
Oh, this is the Enchant 2023 game. Okay, we're down to third floor. The ano is very narrow, so we need to be very careful. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Wala ka tapos na lahat. Hindi mo pala. 1, 2, 3, go. My heart.
Again?
This is Enchant 2023. Dahil po.
Oh, game.
Again? This is Enchanted. Inatay ako!
This is the aftermath.
Of everything.
Again, this is Enchan.
Banyo ko, please.
Pakita mo ating ating.
Our chef for today.
Pakita mo ating ating.
Kinat-kat mo? Oops. The chef today.
Again, I will read the question. What is the origin of the word Twix? Again, what is the most common consonant sound in English? Team A candidates, may I call on to the